Hello everyone and welcome to the series about IPython widgets. This is the fourth part and it's about widgets alignment. We'll be covering the basics of controlling the layout of IPython widgets using the display function, add class and set CSS. First let's import widgets from IPython.html and we'll be importing display function from IPython.display. In here, I'm defining a container. I'm adding three widgets: checkbox, text widget, and a drop-down widget. And I'm repeating that in a for loop 5 times. Finally, I'm adding a submit button and displaying my container. You can see that the default layout as everything is laid out vertically. So I have all of my widgets laid out vertically. For this layout, I would much prefer having a table-like layout where I can utilize this part of the screen too. So my 5 entries would be laid out horizontally. The way to do that, I'm doing the same thing. I'm defining my widgets, my container widget. I'm displaying that. Make sure you always display your widget before you remove or add CSS classes or set any CSS code. You have to display your widget before you do any of that, or otherwise it won't work. In here, I'm defining the same widgets. I'm adding them into a sub-container. Let me display that and I will explain further. I'm defining a row-like container that will display my widgets horizontally. The way I can do that is I'm removing the vbox class that's attached to it by default, and I'm adding hbox class, which aligns everything horizontally. And make sure you always remove vbox or it won't work. Finally, I'm setting the width of this text box to 200. You can change it, you can make it larger if you need that, and you can utilize more of your screen. Thank you for watching. This tutorial is available open source on GitHub and is viewable on NBViewer. The link to this is in the description below. I hope if you like this, you'll subscribe to this channel and you will watch the previous tutorial about styling widgets or the next tutorial about using interact function. Thank you.